Hi guys, Luke Burks here from X Martial Arts Schools. I'm joined by Mr. Watkinson today, and today's tutorial is how to tie your martial arts belt. But we're following on from the previous tutorial and we're going to show you how to tie a martial arts belt on somebody else. So if your child trains at a martial arts school and needs a little bit of help getting ready, getting their uniform and their belt on, or if you're an assistant instructor, junior instructor, and you'd like to learn a way of how to tie their belt, this is what the video will show you today, okay? So just like previous, when you're tying your own, you want to split the belt in half. Okay, so we split the belt in half and we're going to unfold this now and take it to the center. Okay, so Mr. Watkinson's going to face me and I'm going to take this to the center of his waistband and we open it up. Okay, what's in my right hand, the end that's in my right hand, is going to fold over, underneath at the back. Okay, so you'll see here the one in my right hand goes under. I pass that to my left hand, so I've swapped ends there. And I tuck it nice and tight all the way through, okay, until we get back to the center again. So what's in my right hand now, the other end of the belt, we want this to be a continuous line. We don't need to tuck underneath, we don't need to twist. It's a nice continuous line and that comes all the way over the top along the waistband until we get back to the center. And this now goes under both layers that you should be holding in your left hand. So that goes under both layers and you pull that all the way through, okay? We give that a little tie, making sure that both ends are nice and flat and they're straight, okay? And we just adjust this until we can give it a pull, okay? So I've got one end in my left hand and the one that's at the bottom is in my right hand, okay? And I'm gonna cross them over. So you cross them over and pull one through the gap that you should now have. So you should have a gap here. So we go cross and we pull the one on the top through the gap and then we adjust, okay? So pretty much you've got it there, okay? You just need to then have a little shuffle to get the knot nice and tidy, and we want to have the lengths of the belt, the ends of the belt, about the same length here, okay? So we pull this, make sure it's nice and tight, and you can see all the way around we've got it nice and even. There's no crossings over, there's no overlapping, and it's all one unified piece.